Hi everyone, welcome to Jaais Knowledge. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Press bell icon for future notifications. In this video, we are going to see one of the GFCF diet recipe, Bonda. Bonda is crisp, soft and fluffy fritters made with urad dal, spices and fresh coconut bits. Ingredients for making bonda: urad dal half cup, rice flour 1 or 2 tablespoon, black pepper half teaspoon crushed, ginger half inch finely chopped, coconut 3 tablespoon chopped, curry leaves 8 to 10, asafoetida 1 pinch, salt to taste, water for soaking and grinding urad dal, oil for deep frying. Now we'll see the process of making bonda in steps. The first step is the preparation of batter. First, soak the urad dal overnight in enough water for 5 to 6 hours. Once the urad dal soaked, drain the urad dal. In a mixer or wet grinder, grind the lentils till smooth and fluffy, adding very little water. Now pour the batter in a bowl. Now mix in all the rest of the ingredients except oil. Once the batter is ready, we'll start frying bonda. Heat oil for deep frying in a kadai or fryer. Once the oil heats, shape the batter in a round shape on your palms and slid these gently into the oil. Fry in medium hot oil till the bondas are crisp and golden. Once the bondas become golden, drain them on kitchen towel to remove excess oil. Now the tasty bonda is ready. Enjoy!